Hi, welcome to my channel Elocution Giratumi. Today we are going to learn about be verbs. Am, is, are. Let us learn the use of word am, is, and are with pronouns I am, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are, you are. We observe that am is used with pronoun I is used with the pronouns that refer to one person, animal, place, or things, such as he, she, and it. However, for you, we use are also used with pronouns that refer to more than one person, place, or things such as we and they.